Hi everyone, welcome back to 9th standard maths class. In the previous video, we have learned some concepts and based on that some proof questions also we have learned. Okay, now let's learn next section. That is our next subheading is length of chords. So here in this section, we are going to learn how to find the length of chords in a circle. Okay, we can find the length of any chord, but in order to find that, we have to apply one concept, that is Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, by using Pythagoras Theorem, we can find the length of chords. By using Pythagoras Theorem, we can learn one relation between the radius, chord and distance from center to the chord. We'll show you. Here you have one circle. Here in the circle, this is a chord. Okay, this is a line by joining 2 points on the circle. So AB is a chord. Here O, this is the center. Okay, O is the center of this circle. And this point, okay, let's mark this point as C. This is C point. That means this OC is the perpendicular distance from center to the chord. Okay, distance. This is the distance from center to this chord AB. Okay, now when you join like this, you will get a right triangle here. Okay, this is a right triangle because always the perpendicular distance will be what, 90 perpendicular distance. Okay, distance is always perpendicular. That distance will be what, 90 degree. Okay, so C is the midpoint of this line AB. That also we know. We have learned in the previous section. Now here, this is a right triangle. Triangle OCB is a right triangle. Now for a right triangle, we know Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Here in this section, that means here in this triangle, this OB is the hypotenuse. Okay, this is hypotenuse, this is base and this is altitude. Okay, now here this portion OB, this is what, OB is a radius part. Okay, that means hypotenuse is what, here OB is a radius and that is the same as hypotenuse. So here we can write as radius square. Okay, radius square is equal to what, base. Base is what, half of the chord. Okay, here this is the chord half. CB is half chord. Okay, so half chord whole square plus altitude. A means altitude. A here altitude is what, OC is the altitude here. That means the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance to the chord. Okay, that square. So for a right triangle, always, that means with the radius, perpendicular distance and half of the chord, this will be the relation. Radius square will be equal to chords half square plus perpendicular distance square. That means just by using Pythagoras theorem, what we can write the answer. That means here OB square equal to CB square plus OC square. Okay, so if we know any two measurement, okay, if we know any two measurement, we can find the third measurement by using this Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now let's do the problem. Then it will be more clear to you. Page number 73. First question. In a circle, a chord 1 centimeter away from the center is 6 centimeter long. What is the length of a chord 2 centimeter away from the center? In this question, it is given that length of chord. Okay, length of a chord 1 centimeter away from the center. So here, this is the center. O is the center. And this is 1 centimeter. Okay, small distance. So 1 centimeter away, the length of the chord is 6 centimeter. Chord's length is 6 centimeter and we know this is a perpendicular. This is 90 degree. That means these two will be what, equal. Okay, this is the midpoint. So this total measurement 6 centimeter means upper portion 3, here also 3. So let's mark that chord as AB. Okay, figure is not given, we have to draw the figure. So 1 centimeter away, the length of chord is 6 centimeter. So 6 can be divided into 2 parts. Let's mark this point as P. This midpoint let's mark as P. So AP and PB both will be 3 centimeter. Then only total 6 centimeter. Now question is, if a chord is there 2 centimeter away from the center. Okay, 2 centimeter away from the center means distance from the center, it is 2 centimeter. What will be the length of the chord? Okay, if it is 1 centimeter, length is 6 centimeter. Chord length is 6 centimeter. If distance is 2 centimeter, what will be the length of chord? This is the question. Here also let's mark this point as Q. Okay, this as Q and this is what, 90 degree. Now in order to solve this, that means here length of chord we need to find. So I told you, in order to prove this we need a right triangle, then only we can apply what, Pythagoras theorem. So radius, perpendicular distance and length of chord. Okay, that three combine in that right triangle, but here radius is not given. Okay, radius is not given. So first of all we have to draw the radius. Okay, to both the chord let's draw the radius. Okay, to the chord AB and to the chord CD, here AO. Okay, AO and CO, these two are what, radius. Now we got two right triangles. Okay, but in order to find this CQ we need to consider this right triangle, but here in this right triangle only perpendicular distance we have, that is 2 centimeter. Radius is unknown. But here in this right triangle, that means in right triangle AOP, in this right triangle we have altitude portion. Okay, altitude is 3 centimeter we have, base is 1 centimeter, we have two measurement we have. That means it is easy to find what, radius. Okay, so radius we can find. So Pythagoras theorem let's apply here. H square equal to base square plus altitude square. Okay, so if it is square, no need to write what, root here, but if you are writing h itself we have to put root here. Okay, that is the root of. Now here hypotenuse portion means AO is a hypotenuse, so AO equal to root of base. Base is what, PO is the base, that is 1 centimeter, so 1 square plus altitude is what, AP is the altitude. Okay, 90 degrees lines are base and altitude, 90 degrees opposite will be hypotenuse. So here altitude is 3 square. Okay, so 1 square plus 3 square, that is 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9. That means root 10 centimeter is a radius. Okay, so AO equal to root 10 centimeter. For a circle, radius will be what, radius will be same. That means CO is also what, CO is also equal to what, root 10 centimeter. Okay, CO also root 10 centimeter. Now it is easy to find what, length of chord, because AO root 10 means here CO also root 10. That means two measurement we got. Hypotenuse we have, base also we have. So let's apply what, altitudes equation. So in the next section let's consider triangle COQ. Okay, this triangle let's consider. So here hypotenuse we have, that is root 10, that we already found here, and this is base, OQ is the base. So which is a missing portion? Hypotenuse, base and altitude is the missing one. That is equation is what, altitude equal to root of hypotenuse square minus base square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, altitude equal to h square minus b square. Now here hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is this one, 90 degree opposite is hypotenuse, that is root 10. So root 10 square minus base measurement. Base is what? 2 centimeter. So 2 square, that is equal to root of root 10 square means it is 10. Okay, minus 2 square is 4. So that is equal to root 6 centimeter. Okay, so altitude means it is CQ. C to Q. From C to Q, this is altitude, that is root 6 centimeter. Now, if this is root 6 centimeter means this portion also will be what? Root 6 centimeter. So total length of chord CD equal to what? Root 6 plus root 6. Okay, so root 6 plus root 6, answer is not root 12, it is 2 root 6. Okay, don't write it as root 12, that is wrong. How many root 6 here? 2 root 6 are there, so total answer is 2 root 6 centimeter. That is the length of chord which is 2 centimeter away from the particular circle. Okay, so this is first one's answer. Next question number 2. In a circle of radius 5 centimeter, two parallel chords of length 6 and 8 centimeters are drawn on either side of a diameter. What is the distance between them? If parallel chords of these lengths are drawn on the same side of a diameter, what would be the distance between them? In this question, it is given that two parallel chords, two parallel chords of length 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter drawn on either side of the diameter. That means in both the side. We can consider a diameter here. In these two sides, two parallel chords. Now, radius of circle is given as 5 centimeter. Question is, what is the distance between these two chords? So, first of all, let's draw the rough figure. Two chords we need here, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. That means one is small and one is large. So, let's draw small chord first. So, this is a chord. Just a rough figure is enough. So, this is a small chord. And large chord. Let's draw large chord. This is a large one. Let's mark the chords as A, B, then C, D. This is a center O. Now question is, what is the distance between these two chords? Distance between these two chords means from the center. Through the center, what is the distance? So here, this is the distance between these two chords. That is a measurement we need to find. So let's mark these points as P, Q. And we know distance is always what? Perpendicular, that is 90 degree. Now 6 centimeter. First one is 6 centimeter. So both will be what? 3 each. This is 3 and this is also 3. Next chord is 8 centimeter. That is CD 8. So this is 4. This is also 4. So here we have to find PQ measurement. Length between these two chord means PO and OQ. These two distances sum that we need to find here. So in order to start, we need what? A right triangle. A right triangle we need. So in order to get the right triangle, let's mark what? Radius. Same like the previous question. Let's mark radius first. For the first one and for the second one also, let's mark radius. And here radius is given as what? 5 centimeter. That means this is 5 and this is also 5 because AO and CO both are what? Radius. Now same like the previous question, let's find the distance. For the previous question it was radius to find, but here radius already given, half of the chord also we have. That means distance is the thing that we need to find. That is OP we need to find. So OP is what? This right triangle's base portion. So base equal to root of hypotenuse square minus altitude square. This is a Pythagoras theorem. So that is equal to root of hypotenuse is what? 5. So 5 square minus altitude for the first triangle it is 3 square. We are considering first triangle. Triangle AOP we are considering here. So answer is 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9. That is root 16. Root 16 value is 4 centimeter. So OP, that means this distance is 4 centimeter. First distance is 4 centimeter. The 6 centimeter chord is 4 centimeter away from the center. Next is OQ we need to find from the second triangle. That is triangle COQ. Here also base we need to find. So OQ equal to same equation. What? Hypotenuse square minus altitude. So here also hypotenuse is what? Same. 5 square minus altitude is what? Altitude is different. Here it is 4, here it is 3. So here altitude is 4. So 4 square. That is equal to 25 minus 4 square is 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. That is 3 centimeter. So second distance is 3 centimeter. First chord is 4 centimeter distance and second chord 3 centimeter distance. So total distance between these two chords PQ is what? Distance between these two chords PQ equal to sum of these two distances, that is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equal to 7 centimeter is the distance between these two chords. And one more is there, if these two chords are on the same line, okay, if these two chords are on the same side, what is the distance between these two chords? That means 6 centimeter chord is here already, okay. We can draw same 8 centimeter chord here also, okay. We can draw 8 centimeter chord in this side also. So from this center point to this is about 3 centimeter. Distance is 3 centimeter. Distance between these two chords means only the small portion we need to find. That means distance will be 4 minus 3, that is 1 centimeter. Okay. Because distance is always same in all the direction, because from the center to this 8 centimeter chord, if distance is 3 centimeter, if we are drawing this 8 centimeter chord wherever in this circle, distance will always be same, that is 3. So if it is in the same side also, it is 3 centimeter. So distance between means it is closing each other. So distance will be what? Difference of that two distance. 4 minus 3 equal to 1 centimeter is the distance if they are on the same side. So this is second one's answer. Next, question number 3. The bottom side of the quadrilateral in the picture is the diameter of the circle and the top side is a chord parallel to it. Calculate the area of the quadrilateral. In this question, one circle and inside the circle one quadrilateral is given. Okay, quadrilateral is given. Question is, what is the area of this quadrilateral? And this AB is the diameter. Okay, it is given that AB is the diameter and CD is a chord parallel to this AB. Okay, CD is a chord of 3 centimeter parallel to this diameter AB 5 centimeter. What is the area of this quadrilateral? Here this quadrilateral shape is what? It is a trapezium. Okay, it's a trapezium. Now what is the equation? Area of trapezium you have learned in 8th standard. Okay, area of trapezium is half into h into a plus b. Okay, h means distance between the parallel side. A and b are upper and lower sides. So here these two sides we have, A is 5 centimeter and B is 3 centimeter. But this perpendicular height is not given. That is a thing first we need to find. So first of all, let's draw a perpendicular line. Like this, let's draw. Okay, so here PO is a perpendicular distance from the center O to a perpendicular line to the chord. So here it is a 90 degree. Okay, we know because CD is a chord. Okay. Now we have to find what this height PO we need to find, and the AB is diameter, that is 5 centimeter. So radius will be what? Radius will be 2.5 centimeter, isn't it? That same radius we can draw from this side also. Okay, from this side also we can draw the same radius DO. That also what? 2.5 centimeter. Now total here CD is 3 centimeter. Then what will be this PD? PD will be equal to half of 3. That is 1.5 centimeter. Okay. So this is 1.5 centimeter. Now here we can consider triangle POD because it is a right triangle. POD is a right triangle, and which is a hypotenuse portion. Hypotenuse portion is equal to, hypotenuse is DO is the hypotenuse. Okay, DO is the hypotenuse because 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. So DO radius, that is 2.5 centimeter. And which is the base side here? Either this one or this one. Both we can consider. So here let's consider base as what? PD. Okay, that is 1.5 centimeter. Now what we need to find? This PO we need to find, that we can consider as altitude. Altitude PO. So what is the equation? Altitude is we need to find. So altitude equal to root of hypotenuse square minus base square. So here hypotenuse is 2.5. So 2.5 square minus base is 1.5 square. Okay. Now 2.5 square. 25 square we know. What? 25 square is 625. Okay. If it is 2.5, after the point only one number. That means in the answer, after the point there must be double of that. If here it is 1, in the answer part it must be 2 numbers. That is 6.25. So 6.25 is the answer. Now 1.5 square. That means 15 square is 225. All this you have to by heart. Okay. At least up to 30 you have to by heart squares. So 15 square equal to 225. So if it is 1.5 square, answer will be 2.25 after the point 2 numbers. So here answer will be 2.25. Okay. Now let's subtract. So here answer will be what? 6.25 minus 2.25, answer will be 4. Okay. Like this. 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0, 6 minus 2 4. 4.00 means it is the same as 4. So root 4 answer is 2 centimeter. That means this perpendicular distance is what? 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. Now it is easy to find what? Area of trapezium. So equation already we have, that is equal to, let's write here, half into height. Height is what? 2 here. So 2 into a plus b. A is 5 plus upper side is 3. Okay. This 2 and 2 we can cancel. Now 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 centimeters square is the area of this particular what? Trapezium. Okay. So this is third one's answer. One more question is there in this section. Question number 4. In a circle, two parallel chords of length 4 and 6 centimeters are 5 centimeters apart. What is the radius of the circle? In this question, we have two parallel chords. Okay, two parallel chords we have. One 6 centimeter and another one 4 centimeter. Okay, that means the long chord is 6 centimeter here. So let's consider that chord as AB, second chord as CD. Okay, so AB is a 6 centimeter chord. So 3 and 3 it can be. Okay, total 6 means from the midpoint it will be 3 and 3. Now chord CD is total 4 centimeter. So here 2, here also 2. Let's mark this point as Q. Okay, and it is given that distance between these two chords. Okay, these two chords are 5 centimeter apart. 5 centimeter apart means PQ. Total distance PQ is 5 centimeter. Okay, let's consider the center point as O. So P to Q is 5 centimeter. Then what will be the radius of this circle? That is a question. So let's mark radius first. Okay, anyway we need what? Right triangle we need. So from A to O one radius, from C to O another radius. Okay, so we have two right triangles. For these two right triangle, radius is what? Same. Radius is common here. So AO we can consider as R. CO also what? Radius. R is a thing we need to find here. So in order to apply Pythagoras theorem, we need at least two measurements. Okay. So here this PO let's consider as X. Okay. PO equal to X. Then what will be OQ? OQ will be what? Total is 5 centimeter. Out of that 5 centimeter, one portion is X. So remaining will be 5 minus X. For example, if this is 2, this one will be 5 minus 2, that is 3. Like that. Okay. So OQ is 5 minus X. Okay. Now we have all the three sides. So radius is we need to find. So from the first triangle, AOP, we can write radius is what? Hypotenuse. So radius square equal to what? Base square plus altitude square. So here base is x. So x square plus altitude is 3 square. Okay, we can write like this. Now from the second triangle COQ. From COQ also we can write what? Radius, that is r square equal to here base and altitude. Here base is 5 minus x the whole square. Okay, because 5 minus x is base. So 5 minus x the whole square plus altitude square. Altitude is what? 2 here. So 2 square. Now in these two equation, r is common. Okay, r is common. Means left side same. Okay, left side portion is the same. R square here, R square here. Left side same means right side will also be equal. That means let equate these two equations. That is first one, x square plus 3 square we can write as 9. Okay, that is equal to, we can write as 5 minus x the whole square plus 4. Okay, if these two equal means these two will also be equal. Now let's expand. Here x square plus 9 equal to 5 minus x the whole square means it is a minus b identity. It is of the form a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Maybe you have learned like this, x minus y the whole square. Both are same. Okay. So here 5 minus x, first number, second number. So this is expansion will be 5 square minus 2 into 5 into x plus x square. Okay. Plus this 4. That is x square plus 9 equal to 5 square is 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 into x, 10x plus x square plus 4. Okay. Now here in both the side, okay, in both this equal side, x square is there. That we can cancel. Okay, because if plus x square come to this side, it will be minus x square. So it is easy to cancel. Now 25 plus 4. Okay, 25 plus 4 will be what? 29. Now let's take this 9 to this side and minus 10x to this side. So minus 10x come to this side, it will be plus 10x equal to 25 plus 4, that is 29. Take this plus 9 to this side, minus 9. That means all the x term in one side and all the numbers in the next side. So here it is what answer will be 29 minus 9, 20. Okay, 29 minus 9, 20. That means x equal to what? 20 into 10 come to this side by 10. Okay, so 0, 0 we can cancel. That means x equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, x equal to 2 centimeter means radius will be what? We already, one equation we have, r square equal to what? R square equal to x square plus 3 square. Okay, so square come to this side, it will be root. Now x square, x is what? 2. Okay, so 2 square plus 3 square. Just to apply the values in this equation. Okay, that is equal to root of 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9. Okay, that is 9 plus 4, root 13 centimeter. Okay, so radius is root 13 centimeter and both the distance, first distance is 2 centimeter, second distance is 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is the answer for fourth question. So this section also over. One more section we have, that is a very important section, that is construction part. Okay, 5 mark question sure from that section. Our next subheading is points and circles. Okay, here in this section we have to learn one concept, that is in any triangle the perpendicular bisector of all three sides intersect at a single point. Okay, that means we can draw any type of triangle. Okay, depending on the measurement, triangle will be different. For all the triangle we can draw what? Perpendicular bisector. That you have learned in 8th standard, how to draw the perpendicular bisector. Because for the triangle 3 sides we have, for each side we can draw what? Perpendicular bisector. All these 3 perpendicular bisector will join at a single point. Let's see. Like this we can draw. It is just a rough figure. Okay, here triangle ABC. In this triangle, this side AB's perpendicular bisector is this one. Okay, this line is a perpendicular bisector and BC's perpendicular side is this line and this AC's perpendicular bisector is this one. You can see all these 3 bisectors are joined at a common point. Okay, so this is the concept. Using this concept we have to draw one figure. That means Circum circle. Okay, the name is Circum Circle. Circum Circle means by using this common point as center. Okay, by using this common point as center, and from this center to any of these three vertices as radius. Okay, from this center to the any vertices, to the A, to B and to C, all these three measurement will be same. That we can consider as radius, and by using that we can draw a circle which touch all these three vertices like this. Here you can see A, B, C, all these three vertices are where with touching the circle, are on the circle. Okay, circle outside and triangle inside. This figure is known as circum circle. Okay, this is circum circle. So in order to draw circum circle, what we need to draw? Perpendicular bisector of any two sides is enough. No need to draw the complete three side. Any two sides bisector is enough. Okay, let's do the problem, then it will be more clear. Okay, so let's do the problem from the textbook. First question, only that is enough. So question is, draw three triangles with the length of two sides 4 and 5 centimeters and the angle between them 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree. Draw the circumcircle of each. Note how the position of the circumcenters changes. In this question we have to draw triangles. Okay, triangles we have to draw. Two sides given as 4 and 5 centimeter. Okay, an angle between this 4 and 5 centimeter must be 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. That means three triangle you have to draw. First with 60 degree, 4 and 5. Then 4 and 5 with 90 degree. Then 4 and 5 with 120 degree. Draw three triangles, and we have to draw circumcircle of these three triangles. Circumcircle of these three triangles also we have to draw, and we have to check the position of the center of these three triangles. Okay, so let's start. First let's draw 4 and 5 centimeter and angle between them 60 degree. Okay, so here we have two sides given, that is 4 and 5 centimeter. So let's take 4 centimeter as base. Okay, so first draw a line 4 centimeter. Draw a line 4 centimeter first, like this. So this is the first step, 4 centimeter. Next is, before drawing 5 centimeter, here it is given that angle between them first is what? Angle between them first must be 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree angle we have to choose from one point. Okay, so take your protractor. Next step is measure 60 degree from the first end. Okay, from the first end measure 60 degree. So 60 degrees here. Then in that line, okay, in this line we need to measure what? First is 4 centimeter. We consider 4 centimeter as base. Next is what? 5 centimeter. That means in this 60 degree line we need only what? 5 centimeter is enough here. Okay, so let's draw 5 centimeter in this line. So up to 5 is enough. So this is the 5 centimeter line. Okay, so this is 5 centimeter line. No need to complete the line, just 5 is enough. So this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and the angle between them is 60 degree. Okay, now in order to complete the triangle, the third line, okay, just by joining these two endpoints we will get the third line. So this is the triangle. Now we have to draw this triangle's circumcircle. Okay, circumcircle of this triangle ABC we have to draw. So for that, perpendicular bisector of any two sides we need to draw. Perpendicular bisector. And method to draw perpendicular bisector, you know that you have learned in 8th standard. First of all, take the compass. Okay, then keep the pinpoint at one point. First let's draw the perpendicular bisector of line AB. Okay, so first keep the point, then measure more than half, approximately more than half. Then draw one line in the upper, one arc in the upper side and one arc in the lower side. Without changing the measurement, draw arc from the second 2 points like this. Okay, so here it is not joining. Let's draw once more. Okay, so these two are the two arcs. The next step, just join these 2 points. Here one point you will get, here also one point you will get. Just join these 2 points. So this is a perpendicular bisector of the line AB. Similarly, draw the perpendicular bisector of next side, either AC or BC. So let's draw perpendicular bisector of BC. So keep the pinpoint at point B and take more than half. Then draw one arc in this side and here also one arc. Now without changing the measurement, draw another 2 arc from the point C also. One arc here, then one here. So here also you will get 2 points. One point here, next point here. Then join that 2 points. This is a method to draw what? Perpendicular bisector. So just join these 2 points. So this is a bisector of BC. Now you can see these 2 perpendicular bisectors are joined at a common point. This is a common point. So that point will be what? Center of the circle. Okay, that point will be center of circle. So keep the pinpoint of the compass at this center point. Then take the pencil point at any of the vertices in C, in A or in B. Measurement will be same. In any of the vertices you can choose. And compass pinpoint must be in this one. That means the common point of these 2 bisectors. Then by using that we can draw a circle. That circle will touch all the 3 vertices of this triangle. Okay. So this is first figure. Question number 1. First figure is this one. 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Angle between them as 60 degree. Now here center is where? Center is inside the triangle. Okay, center is inside the triangle. Next let's draw with 90 degree. Same procedure. Procedure is the same. 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Angle between them is what? 90 degree. That is the only change. So let's draw the figure. So as per the given measurement, first draw the triangle. 4 cm as base, then using protractor measure 90 degree. Then in that 90 degree 5 cm measurement, then draw the third side. So this is second triangle. And now we are going to draw the circumcircle of this triangle. So method is perpendicular bisector of any 2 sides. So let's mark the points as A here, B, then C. Okay. So first let's draw perpendicular bisector of BC. Keep the pinpoint at the point B and measure more than half. Then draw one arc here and one arc in the upper side and in lower side. Without changing the measurement, draw another 2 arc from the second point. Okay, draw 2 arc in the 2 side, upper and lower. So after drawing the bisectors, you will get 2 points here and here. Just join these 2 points. So this is the perpendicular bisector of the line BC, one side. Now next let's consider base side AB. So here also measure more than half. Okay, approximately more than half, and draw one arc in the upper side and one arc in the lower side. With the same measurement, draw another 2 arc from upper and lower side like this. Okay, then join these 2 points. So this is the next bisector. Now you can see that these 2 perpendicular bisectors are joined at a common point. That means here in this point. Okay, this is the point where these 2 perpendicular bisectors meets. So that point will be what? That point will be center of the circle. Now take that as a center, and from that center to take any point. Okay, take the radius as to any point, to C, to A or to B. Okay, all the measurements will be same. Then draw the circle. Okay, just draw the circle like this. So this is a circumcircle. Here you can see A, B and C. All these 3 points are on the circle. So this is the circumcircle of second triangle. And here the center of this circle is on the triangle. That means it is in the hypotenuse. And this point will be midpoint of the hypotenuse. Okay, whatever be the measurement of BC, that BC's midpoint is the circumcenter of this circle. Okay. here for the previous case, okay, in the previous case, that means with the 60 degree, that means acute triangle center is inside the circle. Okay, here it is 90 degree triangle. Okay, 90 degree, if it is a 90 degree triangle, circumcenter will be midpoint of the hypotenuse. Okay, midpoint of the hypotenuse will be center of the circle. One more triangle we have to draw, that means with 120 degree. So try to draw that also and check where will be the center of that circle. Okay, same procedure. First draw 5 centimeter line, then measure 120 degree, that is obtuse one. From here 90, second angle will be here, it is wide. Okay, 120 degree. Then in that 120 degree measure 5 centimeter and draw perpendicular bisector of any two sides, then draw the circumcircle. Okay, try to do that. Only this is enough to learn from this section. Okay, so that's all about the chapter. Hope you understand. Thank you. See you in the next video with the new chapter.